Dear friends, today we will talk about inventory control. Inventory control is an important topic in operations management. Operations management is used in management degrees, management courses, as well as production engineering. Inventory control is very important. As you know, at home in the kitchen, if you will see the kitchen cabinet, you must be having some fixed quantity of grocery items, spices, and vegetables. And in the same way, in any plant, raw materials are required for the production of finished goods. So it is a challenging task for production manager to decide which raw material he has to keep in what amount of quantity. So inventory control helps us in taking such kind of decisions. In inventory control, first term which is very frequently used, that is stock. So stock, in terms of stock, we talk about safety stock. Safety stock is the stock which we have to keep in our inventory, uh, so that we can make production in uninterrupted manner. Second term used is out of stock. Out of stock means if you need few ingredients or items for the production of goods, something is not available in the inventory, that stage is out of stock. So always we must try to keep inventory intact so that we can make production without any intermission or error. By stock we can decide particular service level of material. Okay, so we can keep our service level on or in the process. Inventory we can define as managing the line of production, that is known as inventory. Inventory control is based on few methods. These methods are ABC method, FSN method, VED method, HML method. In ABC method, we have to find out total value of items. We can work on number of units, frequency, and their cost or value. Second method is VED. It is based on few variables. These variables are critical, vital, and essential. FSN method is based on frequency of uses of material required for production of any product or services. In HML, we compute cost per unit. VED method is vital, essential, desirable method. So its application is clear from its name. HML method is high, medium, and low method. Stock we can divide into two categories: stock out and stock overstock. Stock out we can further divide into two categories, that is FC and NFC. Now let us again revisit inventory. Hotels must keep linen, food items, washroom kits in the stock. Okay, so these are the items hotel people they must keep in the stock to avoid any problem in their production of services. Restaurant must keep grocery stock so that they can make their services intact. Inventory control nowadays, it is modern concept. It is controlled by information technology. Few companies are interfacing production with the consumers directly. It means that consumers is placing order and that product is supplied to the consumer directly from the manufacturer or company. There is a term selective control. Selective control means variation in selection of any ingredient or item while producing that product or item. This selective control may be based on value, uses, frequency, or consumption of any product. We can classify as high value or low value, that is known as ABC classification. Impact of inventory control methods are: companies they used to offer discount like buy two get one or buy one get one. So these discounts are possible because of good production by the company. Advantages of inventory control are: there is low wastage, improved morale of the production team, they have self satisfaction and feedback. These inventory control methods are basically used in all industries. Operations management is popular in the field of automobile, defense, automotive part manufacturing companies, hospitality companies, and FMCG companies. There are few more terms related to inventory control method. These terms are EOQ model, economic order, quantity model, and material manage. At last, we can summarize our lecture. Inventory control deals with management of stock. Good inventory management ensures that there will be continuous production without delay or intermission. So today in this session we got some basic idea about inventory management. Thank you.